bet, 25-cent denom. Let's see what we get here. We're going for it. Alright, come on, what do we got? Put us in the bonus. Put us in the bonus. Put us in the bonus. Yes. Yeah. Oh shit. Nice. Oh yeah. Oh, that's good. That's good. We're gonna let that one play out. Probably $1,000 right there. More than $1,000. Come on, put us in the bonus. Put us in the bonus. Come on. Do it. Alright. Do it. Do it. Alright, well, didn't put us in a bonus, but definitely paid out pretty good. Atlantis, Bahamas for the win. Let's see what we get on this one. Take that. Pull out a win.